Reviewing One BeamNG Car Per day 144. The SP Dune Kicker TT2 spec. The trophy truck is one of the coolest stunt vehicles you can drive, something with a hilarious lack of poise and an immense weight that can still look absolutely stunning 2 feet off the ground. This particular trophy truck weighs 2.6 tons, which I presume comes from suspension that has been reinforced to the point where if the world was obliterated by nukes, you could still see 2 springs floating in the abyss of space. And yet somehow that suspension is not rock hard like you would expect. It actually takes lumps and gives them the middliest and fingeriest middle finger in the world ever. The ride is like levitating. Unfortunately, when it comes to the actual driving experience, the narrative is flipped entirely on its head. Because this, to quote Gordon Ramsay, is a fine fucking mess. First of all, despite the world's most amazing suspension setup, the handling is absolutely rubbish, and that's because of 2 factors. One is the fact that it has been designed to land jumps, so that means that it is comically wobbly, which is what I was referring to earlier when I mentioned the lack of poise. The other is a rear-wheel drive setup, which I'm sure is meant to make it easier to drive in a spectacular nature that would be expected of these cars, but it just makes the thing shit. It won't stop fucking sliding. It's infuriating. Anyway, the other big problem I have with it is the engine and gearbox. Let's merge the 2 together. It's got a weird clutchless sequential box with 3 speeds that are slow, and it only makes 390 brake horsepower. Although, to be fair, considering it can't even cope with that, maybe it's a good thing there isn't any more. It did a 2 minutes 32.907 and gets 7 out of 10. Not for a good drive, but because I like sending it over jumps. See you tomorrow.